Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Westlaw login problems, authentication and access issues step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with Westlaw, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you are connected to a stable network. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This helps eliminate any stored data that might be causing the issue. After clearing your cache, restart your browser. Then, visit the Westlaw login page. Enter your username and password carefully. Double-check for any typos in your login credentials. If you still can't log in, try resetting your password. You can usually find the password reset link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to set a new password. If the problem persists, try using a different browser. Sometimes, browser compatibility can cause issues with login. If you are using a VPN, consider disabling it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with authentication processes. If all else fails, contact Westlaw customer support. Have your account information handy for a smoother interaction. Explain your issue clearly to the support team. They can provide specific assistance related to your account. Following these steps should help you resolve your Westlaw login issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.